Welcome to the PC Mechanic tutorial section. Now in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add more memory to your PC system. Now before you add memory to the system you need to understand how much memory your motherboard will support and how much each individual memory slot will support. Now this information can be found on your motherboard spec, or if your PC didn't come with a spec you can go to one of the online memory scanning companies and they will scan your PC for free. Now one of the best companies at the moment is the Crucial website, and I have added a link to their scanning software in the sidebar of this tutorial. Now before doing anything within the PC, safety must come first, so make sure the PC is turned off and disconnected from the main supply, and make sure both you and your PC is protected from ESD. Now in this particular PC you will notice there are two memory slots. There's an empty one there and there's one with already memory in it. Now the memory that is in this system is a DDR400 and it's a 1 GB in size. Now I have checked the spec for this motherboard and the motherboard will support a maximum of 2 GB of RAM, with each port supporting 1 GB. So I've purchased a second card which is also DDR400 and it's 1 GB in size, which will take this PC up to its maximum of 2 GB. Now to insert the RAM you will notice there are two white clips either side of the socket. Now if you push these two clips to one side, you can place your new stick of RAM into the socket like so. Now if you push down on either end with even pressure you will hear the two tabs click into place, and there you have your new stick of RAM in place. Now RAM is automatically detected when the PC is booted, so that is all you need to do to insert new memory into your PC system. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.